what's wrong with Labcorp and how they can fix it. So let's just walk you through the process of what it's like to go to Labcorp, assuming it's an Quest or anything. So I'm going to walk you through this. So obviously you're going to set your appointment. If you're a walk-in, you walk in and show up. That's not always a good idea, and I'll get to that here in a second. All right, so first thing you do is when you walk in, you come into the building. We're going to watch this little short video because it kind of breaks it down. So you come in, you're going to quickly use this thing to check in here. You fill this thing out. You put your license in it. It's a great process. Works really well. The downside is it only gets your information to book you on this little waiting sheet inside Labcorp. That's on a picture that you can see here. So you get put up on this screen. They normally have one or two, at least the one I go to has two TVs on it, and you can see the names are listed over here. And then they normally have some lame commercials going on or not good TV is what it comes down to while you wait. But your names are over here. A big thing Labcorp could do right away is put the average wait times, like the wait times. Put a time on here. Let people see it. Another thing is when somebody checks in, why does this system, that is, where is it? This system, I think it's the alley system here. When it goes through this process, why isn't it actually, putting that time in there? Why isn't it allowed us to put our lab information in and get it sent here so we can make sure the front desk has this? I swear, every time I go, the front desk never knows where my labs are. I have to do this whole process to let them know I sent it and tell them. And by all means, they're so backed up that they don't have time to even deal with it. They are so busy every time I show up there, which leads me to my second point is, either they don't want to hire more people, and that's fine, but make that system that makes you log in, right? Make this system more effectively. Make it so it gets everything, and it shows the wait time. It provides the labs. You make it so the labs are in there and it's all set to go and it has all the paperwork ready because they're way too busy there. And it's unfair to the people because obviously we're going to get mad as customers at the people there trying to wait on us. I've even gone up and be like, hey, I just want to double check you have labs. They're like, please have a seat because they're so busy. And they're the same people who do your blood work. So there's no time for this. Why does Labcorp do this to us? It is ridiculous. And maybe it's a health thing, but Labcorp should answer these questions. So when we get all our information, we put our labs in, we get a time, we get it so it actually shows that time. And then it comes to waiting in the office. So we sit and wait here with no idea on what time we're going to be called or any of that stuff, especially if you're a walk-in. So walk-in, sometimes it can be the worst thing. A lot of times I've been lucky if you go early enough, but I'm going to never walk in again after my last experience. Labcorp is way too busy, and you're rarely get called up to the front. And last time I think there was 20 people that showed up, had appointments, and it was insane. So when it comes to filling this information out, like I said, have it do everything. Have it collect information. Have it does that. Or when our appointment time is ready, why doesn't it just work like a restaurant and it texts us and say, hey, you'll be ready in 5 or 10 minutes. There is a lot of things we as people can do when we have that certainty of knowing what time it is. And we don't have to just sit and wait in Labcorp for hours on end. So next thing is, this is my next point. If you are booking an appointment on Labcorp, obviously come to their website first. Put in your stuff, find the labs, and then just book your appointment. It's so much faster. So this will help speed up your time. So you just book now, more dates and time, right? You can select the days. I want to go 10:45, put in your information, and then you can just book your time ahead of time. It's super fast. So never just walk into Labcorp. They're way too busy, and Labcorp's not going to hire enough people, obviously for cost reasons. Labcorp as a business consultant, as somebody who helps businesses run more effectively, please just make this system or Alley Technologies improve your system. Make it so it doesn't just check us in. and we click the things, or make people check in where it has all their details, all their labs, all of it attached. It's good to go, and we can just show up and they're ready to just draw labs or do whatever you need. It would be way more effective, and it would arguably cost less. You just got to update your technology, and that's how Labcorp be way more efficient, because obviously once you wait, it's a very simple, fast procedure to run and get your labs done, or do the other stuff. And then you can let your employees do their job, and it will take a lot of stress out of customers and your employees. People will be happier because the business is running more effectively. How about we do that, Labcorp? I'm assuming SonoraQuest is the exact same. Please, everybody, provide your feedback if this is off basis and you have a different experience as well with Labcorp. But even everybody even the people who ordered labs directly on demand at Labcorp, they couldn't even find their labs. The person had to resend them and show them a confirmation code to get it. I had to tell them my doctor's name before they could find it. And it's just not a great process. Please, Labcorp, or any business out there, learn to be more efficient, because your customers will appreciate you and be happier when they come and see you. You don't want people just always talking smack about your business. Do what's best for them. Customers matter. And hopefully this was helpful. And please leave comments below if you've experienced similar things, or maybe you have a different experience. I wish you all the best. Hopefully you learn from the tips of always booking your appointment, and you agree with me or not. That's fine too. All right, take care. And Labcorp and all businesses, learn to be more efficient. Feel free to contact me, book an appointment if you want your business to run more effectively. All right, take care. Bye.